Students, we have already done the sketching on page number 1 and 6 of step by step book in the previous lesson. Today we will start the shading on page number 1 and 6 with pencil. Shading is used in drawing for depicting a range of darkness by applying media more densely or with a darker shade for darker areas and less densely or with a lighter shade for lighter areas. So shading is a technique to create the illusion of depth in a two-dimensional medium. Today we will do the shading with pencil. As we know, there are different types of pencils like HB, 2B, 4B, 6B and so on. We will use 4B pencil for lighter tone, 6B pencil, this is 4B, 6B pencil for middle tone and 8B or 10B pencil for the darker tone. Now I am going to start with the 4B pencil. We can use hatching technique for shading, which you have already done in the previous class. So this is the lighter areas, these are the lighter areas and these are the darker areas. We will use 4B pencil on these areas, lighter areas, and we will use 8B or 10B pencil for the darker areas. I am going to start. This is 4B pencil. Do shading like this. We will start with the drapery. These are the lighter areas. Now we will use 6B pencil for middle tone. Use 10B pencil or 8B pencil for the darker tones. These are the darker areas of drapery. Do shading like this and mix well. These are the darker portions. So we have to use the 8B or 10B pencil to dark the areas. Complete this page. Now on page number 6 we will start with the flowers. I am going to use 10B pencil for darker areas. Here the light is coming from the right side, so the left portion is dark. Left side portion is dark of leaf and this is lighter portion. We can use 4B pencil also for the lighter area. These are the lighter areas, so we can use 4B pencils here. On stones also, left side is darker. Bushes. Now you can complete this picture.